Hey everyone, welcome back to new video, and today I want to talk about something really fascinating I came across. A blog post from the folks at Zed IDE. If you don't know about Zed IDE, it's a code editor. So Zed is the best coding editor if it comes to speed. Like whenever I type something on my keyboard and the time it takes to display it on the UI, I think nobody can beat Zed at that. So this new blog which they posted about, and it resonated with me so much that I knew I had to make a video around it. And it's about something called Agentic Engineering. If you have been watching this channel for a while, you know how excited I get when it comes to AI tools and coding. Anyway, let's dive into what agentic engineering really means, why it clicked me, and how it might just change the way we all code in the near future. Right now, you see two extremes whenever people talk about AI and coding. You have people saying AI will replace all programmers, everything will be AI generated, you don't need to code anymore. And at the other extreme, nope, AI code is garbage, humans will always outcode machines. The truth, as it usually does, sits somewhere right in between. And that's exactly what Zed IDE post was getting at. It was a more balanced, practical approach called agentic engineering. So, what exactly is agentic engineering? In simplest terms, agentic engineering is about intelligently mixing human craftsmanship with AI capabilities. It's not about blindly trusting the AI to do everything, nor dismissing its power. It's about partnering with AI for productivity, quality, and craftsmanship. Think of it like traditional software engineering is being deterministic, meaning for the same inputs, you always get the same outputs. Pretty predictable, right? But AI-based tools are stochastic and exploratory, offering unpredictable but powerful creative possibilities. This blend of predictability and unpredictability, deterministic and stochastic, structured and creatively open-ended, that's exactly where agentic engineering comes into the picture. Now, they mentioned in the blog post that there are three essential principles of agentic engineering. Number one, and one of my favorite, quality is our responsibility. As engineers, no matter what tool we use, AI or not, we are ultimately responsible for the quality. It's on us to develop judgment, deciding when AI improves our work and when it doesn't. Second, and this is a little bit close to my heart, that is craftsmanship is critical. Good developers know you can't fully automate taste, precision, care, or judgment. AI is not here to replace your craftsmanship. So instead, it amplifies your skill doing the repetitive boilerplate task, so you can focus deeply on craft. So instead of just building faster, we are building better. And the third one, working effectively with AI requires skills. Let's be clear, the ability of engineer well with AI doesn't come instantly. It's a real skill. Just like learning your frameworks, understanding algorithms deeply, or becoming a master debugger. Using AI means giving precise prompts, clear instructions, and properly contextualizing issues. And you get good at these skills through practice and rigor. That's why I love this term agentic engineering. You become a thoughtful supervisor, guiding intelligent tools and exercising great judgment at the intersection of software and technology. Another great insight from the blog was that traditional developer tools weren't built for real-time AI interactions. The workflows we have now, rapid feedback loops, parallel agent-driven tasks, instant review of AI-generated code, these are entirely new. So accordingly, our tools and our habits must adapt. Personally, I already use Claude Code and Cursor and other AI tools regularly, and I have experienced exactly what they are pointing out here. We need workflows and tools that embrace this new way of collaborative coding in real time. Now, this part of the blog made me smile because it's so true. Everyone's still so new to this, not just as developer, but even the folks who are the experts or even the folks who are building these tools. The best thing we can all do is openly share what we are learning, because believe me, this field is changing fast. AI tools constantly evolve, our skill set shift, best practices transform, and we all are just students right now. In the blog post, Zed IDE folks also told they'll run these live coding sessions featuring experts like Michael Hashimoto, Ken Dodds, Lee Robinson, and many more, just sharing, experimenting, and learning together. Honestly, that openness and continuous learning mindset is exactly how we should approach this environment. Personally, and this is why I love this post so much, this aligns exactly with my philosophy on AI-assisted development. The phrase agentic engineering perfectly captures it, neither overly optimistic nor skeptical, rather pragmatic, combining AI's efficiency with human intuition and judgment. And as engineers, creators, and coders, our role isn't diminished by AI, it's enhanced by it. We become supervisors, collaborators, and craftspeople. So let's embrace this new chapter, not with fear or overexcitement, but with curiosity curiosity and skill, learning new ways, new tools, and new processes to elevate our engineering craft altogether. But hey, what do you think about this? I'm honestly curious. Do you use AI tool regularly? Have you tried agentic engineering yourself? Drop your thoughts or experiences down below. I'd genuinely love to learn from your perspective too. If you found this useful or interesting at all, don't forget to subscribe. I'll keep sharing more on my journey into this exciting new world of AI coding, or we can say agentic engineering. Till next time, happy coding, and I'll catch you soon. Bye bye.